Yo, so apparently these are the worst headphones when it comes to durability. I mean, like, look, I barely have this for about a month, and now to fix it, I had to spend about like $40 to buy like the repair kits and stuff like that. So this is the Beat Studio Pro, but before I fix this, let me explain. Let me just put you guys right here and explain myself. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm just coming back from school. I still have my jacket on, and I made a review about this. I've talked about them in like short form content and stuff like that. So these are by far one of my best headphones, but one problem is the durability. No, I didn't drop them. It wasn't in my bag along with like so many items, and no, I didn't sit down on them. All I just did, bro, was it was like -5 degrees outside, and I had a puffer jacket on, and I just like put it on my hair and just snapped, bro. So basically the headband is broken right now, and yeah, I had to like get this kit from eBay as well as this one from Amazon just to fix this, and all these cost me about like $40. What I'm gonna be doing in this video is basically fixing it and showing you guys how to fix this. So I don't know, I don't think it's worth it, man. If you got it on a deal for like the $160 just like I did, maybe, but if you're gonna spend like $360 or almost $400 on these, it's not worth it. Cause bro, let's get into fixing. Actually, let me make a thumbnail before. Alright guys, so before I fix this, let me first check if it matches. Hopefully it matches the color, because it took me like almost 2 hours to find this, bro. Let's see, does it match? It matches perfectly. So now I just have to fix it. So first things first, before I fix this, I'm gonna have to like put this in and then have it bend like it's normal. So this is kind of risky to do, but apparently that's how you have to do it. Oh yeah, I have to bend that so I could take out those screws. So I'm just gonna screw that off. So yeah, you have to take this part off. Yeah, you don't want to lose those screws. So I'm just gonna put them in here. And then you also want to lose the second side too, because remember, this is what's broken on this side. So I want to take out the entire thing. So yeah, I just lose all the screws. And apparently I'm gonna have to like disconnect this. This is kind of like crazy, I'm not even gonna lie. You guys see all that. So let me just take this out. It'll just be crazy. So if you guys could see, this side is good, but this side is the broken part. And then I'm just gonna be replacing it with this. And the good thing about this is, like, when you open this, it's not just a bunch of wires. You can just snap this one in here. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Honestly, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm doing this the right way. Oh, that's what it is. So basically, I have to put this in first. Hopefully, I'm having it in frame. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so I think all you have to do is do one side at a time, right? Make sure this one is in. Now I could screw that inside. All right guys, so you have to do one side at a time. Like, technically I had to like merge those together and then put it inside. Well, I'll show you guys on the second side right now. So secondly, on the second side, I'm gonna merge like the headband and the rubber on the back. I'm gonna merge them together, right? And merge it together. Let me merge it real quick. It's looking kind of weird right now, I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like I would break it. Hopefully I don't break it, bro. I just want to put everything in. It's kind of weird. It's a very, very weird process, bro. Trying to make sure that is in line. And then, boom. Yeah, something like that. Now I'm just gonna use this to push everything inside, bro. push, all that's left is for me to push this one in. If you guys can see what I'm talking about, all that's left is for me to push this one in. It was so easy on the other side because it wasn't like taped in. Okay, finally, we set. Finally, we're good. So, yeah. Now, all I have to do is just screw this. So basically, what you just have to do is make sure these two are aligned and then just push it inside. And then you should be straight. So, I'm actually excited my Beat Studio Pro is back to life. Bro, this is the second time I'm dropping my screw. That's 20 minutes already? Bro, why is this so complicated, bro? Damn. Now I can screw it. I think they look as good as new, right? Right? Hopefully it doesn't feel like... They look as good as new. Alright guys, so I know my eyes red right now because I've literally been up since like 6 a.m. But yeah, this is what it looks like after fixing it. It looks as good as new, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just take off this plastic. There really isn't any difference in terms of like the color. And if I put it on, yeah, my Beat Studio Pro is back. So this is the one that it came with. And it's currently broken right now. Like I said, bro, honestly, if I'm going to be taking these, I will be like extra careful because, bro, it feels like if I go anything more than this, it's just gonna break. If you have a big head, bro, no offense if you have a big head, because I have a relatively big head, but if you have a big head, I would advise not to get this, bro, because like all I did was basically just go like this and it just snapped. I was wearing gloves as well, so maybe that add more pressure to my hand. But if like it was very, I was so pissed. I've never been so pissed. Like I'll probably mention it in my day in the life. So if you guys didn't watch the day in the life video, make sure you guys watch it. It's probably gonna be up like 2 videos after this because I have to edit like my Mac day in the life and then the iPhone 15 Pro day in the life. So it was the iPhone 15 Pro's day in the life that I broke this, but yeah, feels good. Let me see if it works. Where's my phone? So yeah, it works perfectly. Everything works fine. But honestly, from now on, like if any of my friends is watching this, if you ask me to give you this, I'm not gonna give it to you because they are very delicate and also they break easily. Like I said, it cost me about $40 just to get this fixed, and honestly, that's crazy. Because so yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing like where I got like the parts from, I will make sure to drop the link in the description down below, so you guys make sure you guys check it out. I got this from eBay as well as this kit to like take out the screw. The kits also come with like extra screws. So as you guys saw in the video, I was dropping my screw like multiple times, but I'm going to return this because honestly, I know it's $5, but I'm sorry to break it to you guys, I'm actually broke by default. So yeah, I'm going to be returning those, but I'll make sure to drop the link in the description. So make sure you guys check it out if you guys are in the same situation and you want to fix your new Beat Studio Pro. But yeah, without further ado, let me get back into cooking the big boy stuff for you guys because I have a video that's cooking and it's gonna be a banger. But yeah, let's get it.